16 inches of water standing through our entire 1,400 plus square foot basement with no idea where it came from.
My pole barn started collapsing. There was a humongous sinkhole.
And our basement was flooded with sewage water.
In the kitchen, there's a big dip near the stove. It was a little bit disturbing when you stepped on it.
Going downstairs at 2 and 5 in the morning with a wet dry vac to suck out the water to keep it from going where the carpet was.
There was a wet crawl space and a good amount of mold.
So we wanted to make sure we were going to invest in a good company.
But I was pleased when they called me back so quickly.
It's hard to find a company that's honest.
So I then reached out to Ayers, and the responsiveness was spectacular.
I had many questions. He could answer every question that I posed him.
The next day, 3 guys came out from Ayers, did a fantastic job.
There were like 4 or 5 guys, and they were super respectful.
The installers were so sweet, so knowledgeable.
They are clean, efficient, polite, friendly.
They get you moving on the right path forward from that initial call.
They were extremely accommodating with us and did everything, bent over backwards, just to make sure that we were comfortable.
But you know, anytime anyone does need a recommendation, I always recommend Ayers.
It's a model for other companies to try to follow.
I'm more than happy with this product and more than happy with the service and the people.